The Realme GT 7 Pro will enter its first foreign market, India, on Tuesday, and it will be a make-or-break moment for the phone. The price in its homeland is great, but last week's poll shows that people are concerned about the international pricing, which will be higher than the Indian rupee 42,000/$505 465 value we get with a simple currency conversion. The pricing issue was easily the most voted option in the poll. It was picked by over a third of voters. That said, about a fifth are drawn to the phone and will have a close look at it once it becomes available in their region. Most people seem happy with the hardware, but there were complaints. For example, the model sold in India will have a smaller 5,800 mAh battery instead of the 6,500 mAh capacity that the Chinese models have. That's quite a downgrade and an unfortunate result of the various regulations about battery-powered gadgets in different regions. The 8MP ultra-wide camera was also a common complaint. A fair-sized chunk of voters is drawn to other recent flagships, but most of them are awaiting a global launch, just like the Realme GT 7 Pro, so it's hard to do price comparisons. We can only look at the relative values based on Chinese prices. Still, the GT can use some help fending off the competition. More specifically, it needs to undercut the cost of most Snapdragon 8 Elite and Dimensity 9400 models to be successful. Join us next week to find out what number Realme is thinking of putting on the price tag.